Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can customize your Revolut 18 card. So first, you're going to start in the parent's Revolut application. So your parent or guardian needs to open their Revolut application to manage the 18 account. So only they can initiate the customization process. So after that, you just have to navigate to the card section. So usually at the top right. So you just have to choose that and then add new, tap on it, and then physical card. So you just have to look for the card designs marked customizable or customize your card or personalized. Then after that, on the design screen, you can draw doodles, freehand sketches, and also add text with various fonts options. You can also insert emojis or pictogram style icons, but it's not in the standard font emojis. So after that, the standard or the free plan users pay a card customization free fee and possibly a delivery fee. So these are shown before you place the order. For the paid plans or the Plus, Premium, Metal, and Ultra, they often include customization at no extra charge, so depending on the region. So once submitted, your design goes through a manual review, typically completed within 48 hours. So if accepted, you will get a notification in the application. But if rejected, you will see why in the application. And you can also resubmit if you want to. And that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.